So today I'm breaking down whether the AirPods Pro 3 are the best stocking stuffer for tech lovers this holiday season, and if the upgrades are actually worth it. But before we go through everything in order, let me jump straight to the moment most people don't expect. If your AirPods ever sound flat or lose clarity, there's one hidden feature in the AirPods Pro 3 that instantly boosts the audio without touching the volume. We'll circle back to that in a bit. Now, Apple's AirPods Pro 3 come with a big focus on sound. The new drivers and adaptive audio tuning do a much better job balancing bass and vocals, especially if you switch between podcasts, music, and calls. Active noise cancellation also gets a bump. Not huge, but enough to cancel out background chatter or engine noise more effectively. The biggest update though is AI-powered sound personalization. It scans your ear shape and adjusts EQ on the fly, making them feel way more premium than the previous generation. Battery life gets a small boost too, especially during long calls. And the MagSafe case now supports better Find My tracking. Super helpful if you constantly misplace them. But here's the hidden feature I mentioned earlier. The new spatial boost toggle inside the settings quietly enhances immersion by adjusting directional audio in real time. If music ever feels flat or underwhelming, flipping this makes an instant noticeable difference. Are they perfect? Not exactly. The price is still premium, and Android users won't get the full feature set. But for Apple users, these might be the most universally useful accessory you can gift this year. If you want a simple walkthrough on how to unlock all the hidden features for AirPods Pro 3, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech breakdowns.